Only 1% can solve this. Which body part helps you see? Eyes. Which body part pumps blood? Heart. What do we use to smell? Nose. Which body part helps you hear? Ears. Where is the brain located? Head. Which body part helps you walk? Feet. What do we use to taste food? Tongue. Which organ helps you breathe? Lungs. Which organ cleans your blood? Kidneys. What protects your brain? Skull. Which body part has fingerprints? Hand. Which body part helps you bend? Spine. What do we use to grab things? Hands. Where is your heart located? Left chest. Which organ helps you digest food? Liver. Which body part allows you to run? Legs. Which organ stores urine? Bladder. Which bone protects your chest organs? Ribs. What is the largest organ of the body? Skin. Which part of the eye lets light in? Iris. Which body part helps you balance? Ears. What helps you chew food? Teeth. Which body part beats continuously? Heart. What do we use to clap? Hands. What covers and protects the body? Skin. Which organ helps you think? Brain. Which body part connects bones? Muscles. Which organ helps remove waste? Kidneys. Which body part helps you smell and breathe? Nose. What part helps you stand upright? Spine. What part helps you smell? Nose. What part helps you grab items? Hand. What part helps you jump? Leg. What covers your head? Hair. What part helps you breathe out air? Lung. What part helps you move fingers? Brain. What part helps you bend? Knee. What part helps you bite food? Teeth. What part helps you touch and feel? Skin. What part helps you twist? Waist. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.